Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here, differentiate this, find dy by dx. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, take the log of both sides. So log this side and then log this side. Okay, so that will give you this. And then well, when you log this, the x goes down here. That will then give you this. And then when you are here, um, differentiate it with respect to x, bearing in mind that this here is a constant. It's just a number that doesn't change. Okay, so differentiate this, it will give you 1 over y, and because y is a function of x, you've got to times it by dy by dx. And when you differentiate this with respect to x, it will just give you this, because this here is a constant. It's like me asking you to differentiate this. So you see, when you differentiate this with respect to x, it will just give you 3. So in this case, it's just going to give you this. Don't forget, this is like 3x. Okay. Well, anyway, overall, the answer here would be yeah. So now to isolate the dy by dx, you would times both sides by y. So the y goes over here, and then well, remember originally the question was differentiate y equals 7 to the power of x. So now that you know y is this, you can put this into the y here. So that will then give you this. Okay. So overall dy by dx is given by this. Okay. So next question here. Hang on. So here find dy by dx here. Remember this is minus. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, try and visualize this as this here. Take the natural log of both sides. That will give you this, and then the x can go out here. And well, take the natural log. It will then give you this thing here. Now differentiate it with respect to x. That will give you this equals. Don't forget, this here is just a constant. So it's like, well, you can rewrite this in your mind. You can rewrite this as this. Hang on, minus this, and bear in mind that this is just a constant here. So when you differentiate it, it will just give you this. Okay, so times both sides by y, and remember originally y was the original question was y equals 4 to the power of minus x. So now we can put this into the y here. That will then give us this. Okay, right. Next question here. Hang on. Okay, so differentiate this. Find dy by dx here. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, take the natural log of both sides. Well, imagine that this here is like a bubble here. And then take the natural log. So the bubble goes, well, when you log this, the bubble goes out here. That will give you this. Yeah, that will give you that. And then, sorry, hang on, let me think. Okay, so take the natural log of this and take the natural log of the whole thing here. This thing here gets moved down to here. So so the bubble here is here, and then the natural log of 5. Okay, and then differentiate this with respect to x. So that on the left hand side it will be 1 over y times dy by dx, and on this side here, when you are here, don't forget that this here is just a constant. This here is just a constant. This here changes. So you can think of this as being like this: 5 natural log of 2 natural log of 5, and then think of it as like this: sine of x here. So this is just a constant. So when you differentiate this, this here is a constant. It doesn't change. So when you differentiate this whole thing here, it will give you this. That's this constant here, and then you got to differentiate this, which will give you cosine of x. Well, anyway, differentiate this with respect to x. That will then give you this. Okay, and then times both sides by y here. That will then give you this. And remember, originally y was this. The original question was differentiate y equals 5 to the power of 2 sine x. So now that we remember this here, y is this thing here, so we can put this into the y, giving us this. So overall dy by dx is given by this. Okay.